am Donna and I'm in the gel press booth, and we are here at Creativation 2018. Today I am playing with the gel press petite plates. They come in sizes from our 12 by 14, and it's a squishy printing plate made out of gel, down to our little mini petites that come in several different shapes, 6 different shapes. I'm using some fabric paint from Marabou called Textile Plus, and I'm just adding the paint to one of the little plates, and then I'll just use a stencil. And then I'll just add that to, this is one of the gel press aprons. So this is our hexagon, and then I also did my apron with the little rectangle. So we're just playing and having fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.